Alright guys, first video of 2020. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to operate an Amazon FBA business the right way. Okay, a lot of things has changed over the years and a lot of the information out there is outdated. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to find profitable products, how to source from elite suppliers, and how to rank those products with up-to-date tactics. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Alright guys, let's get started. But before I go on the computer, I want to talk to you guys about the 3 Amazon FBA pillars. If you get these pillars down, you will have a successful Amazon FBA business. Let's talk about pillar number 1, finding profitable products. In order to find a profitable product, you need a product research tool. We're going to use Viral Launch's product discovery. What this tool does is it filters out all of these products on Amazon according to your filters. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. But what this tool does, it helps you find profitable products super fast. Products like this plant basket right here, okay? We're gonna go run the Viral Launch Chrome extension, and this is going to tell us how much money each of these sellers are making every month. Okay guys, look at this, $18,000 a month, $16,000 a month. Let's look at this is another thing that we need to look at, is the review quantity, right? We want most of the sellers to have a low review quantity, which just means this is low competition. Okay guys, look how many monthly sales are moving a day. Okay, 1,000 units a month, guys. This is great for selling a plant basket. Let's go on to the next product, guys, a swaddle blanket. Okay, let's run the tool and I can show you guys how much money this product is making. Look, $57,000 a month, $42,000 a month, guys. Crazy. Look how many units they're moving a month right here, okay? For just a small product, right? Cheap to ship, right? It doesn't break, super easy to sell. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for these. After you found your profitable products on Amazon, you're gonna search for them on Alibaba.com. What Alibaba.com is kind of like Amazon, but for Chinese manufacturers, which brings me to the second pillar, right? Sourcing from elite suppliers. I'm going to show you guys right now how to source from elite suppliers, but look, you can get that plant basket right now from Alibaba.com for $3.20 and sell it on Amazon right now for $17, right? And remember, they were selling 1,000 units a month, and you can take all that profit in between home. So you can only do the math, right? So if you sell 1,000 of these a month and you're doing over $12 of profit, you can definitely add it up, right? And this is just from one product. Now you can only imagine how much you make from two products and 3 products and 4 products, right? Now let's talk about ranking your products to page 1, right? This is the most important pillar. Once you have your products made in China, you have to ship them to the Amazon warehouse where they take care of shipping your products for you and everything, right? You don't have to get a warehouse. The only thing you need to worry about is ranking your products to the top of page 1. Like you guys see, right here, they're organically ranking on page 1, right? And you do this through Amazon PPC. Now I'm gonna get more into depth about how to find profitable products, how to source from elite suppliers, and how to rank your products to the top of page 1 on this free Amazon training. Alright guys, I know what you're thinking. Alright Dave, what's the catch? This sounds way too good to be true. Well, the catch is there is no catch. You just have to do the work up front and do the product research and find those profitable products with low competition. That's it guys. Amazon is the first trillion-dollar company, okay? And more than 50% of the products being sold on Amazon are sold by people just like you and me. So you better believe me, I can teach you how I made over $200,000 just selling everyday products myself. If you don't believe me, here's a screenshot of my annual report. Guys, on this free Amazon FBA training, I'm gonna go more into depth about how to find profitable products, how to source from elite suppliers, and how to rank those products to the top of page 1. So click on the button somewhere around this page to take it to the training, and I'll see you guys there.